Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can reset your password of your Spotify account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open up a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.open.spotify.com. Once you type it, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to click on the login option. Once you click it open, you need to simply type in your email address or your username used to create the account. Once you do so, all you need to do is scroll down and find the option of forgot your password. So as you click it, you need to simply enter your email address once again. Once you type in your email address and submit it, a link will be sent to your email, which will then allow you to reset your password of your Spotify account. So in these few easy steps, you can simply reset your Spotify account's password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.